Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Before start the video, don't forget to like and subscribe the channel. Let's start the video. Go to Setting by pressing Windows plus I. Click on Time and Languages. Then click on Languages and Region. Click on Add Language. In search box, type the language you want to add in your PC/laptop. Once search, then click on Next. Then click on Install. It will take some time to install. After installation finished, you can choose any language from taskbar. If you like the video, then don't forget to comment on the video. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe the channel.